Every once in a while, something comes along that completely reframes how you understand your own potential, especially when it comes to energy, clarity, and sense of inner alignment. For me, that experience happened years ago when I first encountered the star chamber process. It was unlike anything I had ever seen. The system combined mineral rich crystals, structured water, and carefully designed energetic principles that work together to create a deep state of restoration. After going through the full process, I felt something profound shift. My mind was clear, my body felt revitalized, and the sense of inner balance stayed with me for weeks. Of course, not everyone can build the full chamber, but the essence of that experience, the core energetic principle that made it so transformative, is what inspired the Star Chamber Receiver. This tool is built on the same foundational idea that your body has an extraordinary capacity for restoration when its energetic flow is supported. The Star Chamber Receiver uses carefully prepared laminar crystals that act almost like an energetic capacitor. They store and release a gentle, steady field that helps refine and harmonize your subtle energy. When you rest near it or place it close to your body, it can encourage a smoother internal rhythm, helping you settle into a more peaceful and aligned state. It's especially helpful during meditation, deep rest, or any moment when you need to recenter yourself. One of the things I love about the Star Chamber Receiver is how universal it is. It doesn't require force, complicated routines, or extreme changes. It simply creates an environment that supports your natural ability to recharge. As modern life becomes more demanding, tools like this become increasingly valuable. They reconnect us to a more ancient understanding of wellness, one that honors energy, subtle flow, and the innate intelligence of the human system. If you're looking for a way to deepen your rest, enhance your meditation practice, or simply bring more harmony into your life, the Star Chamber Receiver is an extraordinary place to start. Try it now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey!